Yes, it would not. Hey, back to the game. There's number 1. Pass number 8. Guarded by Hamson. Kick out pass number 1. Shot nakasama 15 Carrero. Using the screen number 20. Here comes Carrero. Kick out pass number 8. Shot nakasama 10. To number 2. Shot nakasama 5. Number 8. Pass. There's also foul. Also personal foul committed by number 31, Hamson. 8 outros coming. Substation for team Nanagan. Out number 2, A number 14. 5 minutes and 30 to play. 20 seconds shot number 12.
39-31.
Number 11 Neves. Guarded by Carrero. Kick out pass. Ball goes out of bounds by number 20. Shot down to 12.
39-31?
Official score 39 against 31. 8-point lead. Chris Mitchell. Goes on pass to the glass. Wide open 3. Air ball again. Ball goes on. Ball number 20. Lead pass to Cecilia. Here comes Cecilia. Kick out pass to Ray. That's Cecilia. Fires to 3. Look at it again. Having the one number 17 ball. Pass number 12 to the sun. Here comes number 12. Kick out pass to Dignos. Dignos fake. Dignos baseline pull up. 2 points Dignos. Cecilia number 1. 20 seconds shot left. 8 minutes and 40 remaining. Shot clock is now 15. Inside pass number 14. Number 15. Fake. Shot clock is now to 10. Kabilang violation committed by number 14.
Per, kung dili kaya, Per. Kung dili kaya, Per.
8 minutes and 35 to play for the third period. 20 seconds shot number 12 to Son. Using the screen number 11. Here comes the Son. Inside pass number 61. Kick out pass to Katuango. Sitting doors. Wide open 3. Look at it again. Abby one number 14. Pass to number 8. 20 seconds shot number 8. Pass to Cecilia. Cecilia. Shot clock is down to time. Gonzalez. Traveling violation committed by number 20, Gonzalez. Exactly 8 minutes. 20 seconds shot number 12. Guzman. Inside pass Gantuanga. 2 points Gantuanga. This is shot up by career number 6, guarded number 61. Using the screen of number 8. Here's also foul, holding foul. Holding foul given by number 61, Tignas. Substitution for team Hinanangan. Second personal foul, Tignas. 2 teams foul, Chris Mitchell. To Carrero. Shot clock is down to 10, 7 minutes and 35 remaining. Using the screen number 8. Shot clock is down to 5. Here comes Carrero, guarded by Guzman. There is also foul again. Also personal foul committed by number 11.
12.
12. Number 11. First race on Carrero. He's got the jumpers ready. 1 out of 2. 7 minutes and 25, 20 seconds to the sun. Using the screen from 11. Goes on. Fires a 3. No good again. Wrong foul. Was all given by Number 20, Gonzalez. First personal foul, Gonzalez. First team foul, Hinanangan. 7 minutes and 15 remaining. Shot clock back to 14. Awesome 11. Tugusan number 12. Goes on Togan, 12 number 5. Side step, ball up G. Air ball again. Lead pass to number 13. Now the left. 2 points number 13.
Ayaw, mata ba din niya?
6 minutes and 55 to play. Shot clock is down to 15. Fires to 3, in and out. Abigay pa ng 14, pass number 13. 6 minutes and 40 remaining. 20 seconds shot clock, number 13. Fires to 3, too strong. Abigay naman number 20, Gonzalez. Here comes Gonzalez. Guys, with number 12. Gonzalez blocked by number 5. Recover number 13 is in the board. 2 points number 13. Official score 36 against 43. 6 minutes and 20 remaining. Ayaw sa left dito ng scoreboard. Di makita. Shot clock is down to 15 by number 12, Busan. Inside pass number 17, Bolo. Shot clock is down to 10. Guardian by number 20. Here comes Bolo. Nice again. Put back, nice again. Here comes number 13. Lead pass to 9. Enter number 12. Gigal pass to Dignas. 5 sa 3. Dignas. Double again. Put back, nice again. Gusto sa bounce. Number 5. Gagwaga. 2 na po. Patay taliha. Tibos sa mouth, tibos sa mouth. Asa na to? Palihog-lay ka rin sa diyan. 6 minutes and 50 to play. Number 13, pass over 30. Shot clock is down to 15. Eagle pass over 13. Guarded by 11. Shot clock is down to 10. Pass over 8 to Sicilian. Number 13, shot clock is down to 5. Block by number 17. Ball goes to the bounce. Symbol, shot clock is down to 4. Shot clock is down to 4. Gonzalez. Number 6, man. Spot back number 14. 2 points number 14. 6 minutes and 25 to play. 38 against 43. 5-point lead. Chris Mitchell, shot clock is down to 15. Here comes the 12. Goes on. This is the board. 2 points goes on.
Isad ba?
Carrido pass Marito Sevilla. 6 minutes and 5. Shot clock is down to 15. Shot clock is down to 10. Here comes number 6. Carrido. Off in the left. There's also foul. There's also foul committed by number 17, Bolo. Number 17, Bolo committed 3 personal foul. Warning for penalty, Chris Mitchell Bullocks. Phase 3 foul by number 26, Carrera. One out of 2. 39 against 45, 6-point lead. 20 seconds shot clock number 12. Guzon using the screen from 11. Here comes Guzon. There's the whistle foul. Was a personal foul committed by number 8. Sevilla. First personal foul, 2 teams foul.
Talaw sa tindog.
Shot clock back to 14, 5 minutes and 45 remaining. He got possible amenities. Inside pass. Shot clock is down to 9. Shot clock is down to 9, 5 minutes and 40 to play.
Talaw!
Goes on, pass, Bola. Guarded by number 20. Goes on, shot clock is down to 5. Goes on, fake pass, under the basket. Good points, goes on. 5 minutes and 30 to play. Number 14. There's the whistle foul. Also personal foul committed by number 12. Penalty situation. Chris Mitchell. Flags. First personal ball number 12, Luzon. First personal ball number 14. Zero out of 2. 5 minutes and 25 to play. 20 seconds shot clock. Ball goes out of bounds by number 5. Substitution for team Hinanangan. Ingin number 77. Now number 14. 5 minutes and 15 to play. 20 seconds shot clock. Pass to Cecilia. Back to number 13. Faith. Shot clock is down to 15. Ready to number 11. Shot clock is down to 10. He pass to number 20. Spin number 20. And there's second number 11. Here comes it is pass to the side. Was on number 12. The inside pass. Recover number 17. Back. But there's a whistle foul. Was a whistle foul committed by number 6 Carrillo. Second whistle foul Carrillo. 3 teams foul. Hinanangan. First race out number 17.
Dari namanya? Oh.
Racing on the road numbers 3, 4 minutes and 50 to play. One out of 2. Only 7:45. Shot clock is down 15 minutes away. Cecilia. Ika pass ay jabong sa ball. Okay, duko gamay sa atong scoreboard. 4 minutes and 39. Official score 48 against 39. Number 12, pass number 17. Inside pass, 2 points. Number 11 nila. Number 5 to. Di mo makita ko. 4 minutes and 20 to play. 20 seconds shot clock. Shot clock is down to 15. Carrillo. Shot clock is down to 10. Pass number 8. Here comes number 8. Drop pass. Enter second number 11. Lead pass number 17. Here comes voila. There's also a foul. Was a personal foul committed by number 13. Substitution. Out to Cecilia in Cecilia. Against 50. He got pass number 5. He's certainly 4 minutes for the third period. Here comes number 5. Gun combo. Open layup. Put back. 2 points voila. 3 minutes and 45, 20 seconds shot number 13. He got pass to number 20. Shot clock is down 15. Number 77. Spin. Intercept by Polo. Pass to Luzon. Luzon to number 11. Number left. 2 points for timeout given by Team Hinanangan. 6:54. Official score. 20 seconds shot clock. Cecilia fires a 3. Negative. Ball goes to the bounce by number 7. 3 minutes and 20 to play. 20 seconds to by Luzon. On throwing the ball using the screen of number 11. Here comes Luzon. Looking for the map. Pass number 5. Gun Tuangco. Fires a 3. No good. Big rebound by number 6 Carrillo. 20 seconds shot clock number 6. Exactly 3 minutes. Number 13, fires the 3, negative again. Zone again, pass to Dignos. Open for 3. Dignos for 3. 2 minutes and 40 to play. Carreno number 6, guarded by number 61. Carreno, pull up 3. 2 points Carreno. Minutes and 25 remaining. 20 seconds shot number 12. Shot clock is down to 15 Liguson. Guarded by number 13. Kick out pass again. Dignos again. Short.
Tara.
There's a fumble. Symbol na symbol. Symbol. 2 minutes and 13 remaining. Shot clock is down 14. On number 11. Recover number 17. 2 points number 17 bola. 1 minute and 55 to play. 20 seconds shot clock by number 26. Shot clock is down 15. Carrido using the body. Inside pass number 77. Reverse layup. Nice again. August number 61, pass number 12. Lead pass to wide open number 11. 2 points number 11, Ibis. 61 against 41. 1 minute and 55 remaining. Shot clock is down to 15. Number 7, kick out pass number 1. Shot clock is down to 10. Number 13, fires a 3. Walaman gyapon. August of the bombs. Substitution for team Hinanangan. At Verdera in Sevilla. 1 minute and 15 remaining. Luzon. Pass to Ibis. Recover by number 61. Here comes Dignos. Left hand layup. 2 points Dignos. Exactly 1 minute. 20 seconds shot clock. Number 8. Pass to number 67. Number 7. Pass again. August number 11. Pass Dignos. 45 seconds remaining. 20 seconds shot clock. Here comes number 61. Left hand layup. Back to back basket by Dignos. 35 seconds remaining. 20 seconds shot clock. Shot clock is down to 15. Carrido fires a 3. Carrido for 3. 20 seconds remaining. And to 71. Here comes the Sevilla. Fake pass. Is it hard? Too strong. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.